Let me show you the Easyworship 7 advanced features or hacks that you should be using right now on your own Easyworship 7 software. What these buttons are, how to turn it on, the right setting that you should be using is what we're going to be taking a look at in today's tutorial. And if this is your first time of coming, remember to smash that red subscribe button below. Also turn on the notification bell. And thanks to every one of you, because we're currently at 14,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. Kudos to all of us. Thank you very much for being part of this family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. First thing you're going to do is to, of course, go ahead and open the Easyworship 7 software on your own PC. And that is it here on the screen. Now, what are these features and how can you turn them on? The very first feature on our list is the alternate output. Now, what is the alternate output and what does it do? Now, let's say, for example, you have a two different display that you want to send your Easyworship 7 output to. Now, what this alternate output does, it enables you to create an alternative output. Now, you have your main output and then you have the alternate output, meaning that the two different projectors or two different screens that you have, you can be able to project the same Easyworship 7 output to them. Now, you have a big projector, and then you have your various TVs, so you can send your Easyworship 7 output to your projector, and at the same time, send it to all the TVs, screens that you have in your church or maybe in your conference. And let me show you how you can be able to turn it on and how you can set it up on your own Easyworship 7 software. Go over to this edit button at the top of the screen here, click on that, then you're going to see options. Click on the options. Just give it some seconds for it to load, and then over here on the screen you have the main output and then the alternate output. Just click on the alternate output and you can see enable support for display alternate output here. Just click this on and you can select the monitor where you want to project your alternate output to, be it your second display. Now you can use your main output to send through NDI stream, and then you can use your alternate output to send to your projector or maybe your monitor, depending on what you want to do with it. Now, the best part is you can have a different setting for the alternate output and then also a different setting for the main output. I know you're wondering right now, can I be able to send the lower third to the main output and then send a full screen to the alternate output? No, you won't be able to do that. But the only thing you can be able to do is you can set the font for the scriptures for the main output, also set a different font for the alternate output. So you can have a different font here, have a different font also for the alternate output. And then over here on the main output, you can set your output position, how you want it to be, maybe how, depending on how big or how small you want it to look like. And then also on the alternate output, you can also set a different thing there, depending on how big or how small you want it to look like. The default font, then you click on it, you can set a different font, a different outline, a different shadow, a different format, entirely different from what you have on the main output. And this is what the alternate output is all about. Now let's go over to the next feature. The second feature on our list is the feed feature. Now this enables you to bring in your live video camera down to the Easyworship server. I know this feature has been around for way too long, even on the Easyworship 9, and it's also included on the Easyworship 7. Now this enables you to bring your camera feed down to the Easyworship server, and I can use it as a background for your songs, for your scriptures, or for your displays. And let me show you how to also turn this on and use it on your own Easyworship 7 software. To access the feed feature, go over to the media, and down here you're going to see feeds. Now over here on the feed, just click on this plus sign here at the bottom of the screen, click on it, and from here you can just put in the name of your video feed you're bringing in to the Easyworship 7, your live video feed. Just put the name there, and then you can select the input here, what you're bringing in, and then you can set the aspect ratio here, and then your volume property, just set everything. And you could use this, your video feed as a background, just like I said before, for your scriptures, for your song, and do anything you want to do with it. Now let's go over to the next feature. The third feature on our list is the audio feature. Now what does it? Let's say you have like a display, maybe you have like a slide, a picture, just something that you want to project to the screen, but you want to add this background sound to it, and you don't want to add the background sound through the vMix, you want to add it through the Easyworship software. And the audio feature enables you to add this as your display, or rather your scripture, or maybe like your picture, or what maybe a birthday wish. As the pictures are sliding in on the Easyworship 7, the background music can smoothly play. And here's how you can also turn it on. Just go down at the bottom of the screen here, you're going to see audio. Now when you click on this audio, click on this plus sign, and here you're going to select any audio at all that you want to bring in as a background. Now as you, whatever song or whatever birthday wish or whatever message you have playing on the screen, can have that smooth audio playing at the background of it. It's actually very cool, especially when you have like a birthday shout out, maybe a birthday wish, you want to wish somebody happy birthday, and you want to use Easyworship 7 to be able to play that happy birthday song. You don't want to do much of editing on it before playing it out, and actually just bring the person pictures, picking it one after the other while the happy birthday or whichever one you want to do is playing smoothly in the background. The last but not the least is the database feature, which I'm also going to make an extensive video on, and that is how you can be able to import your database from the Easyworship 9 down to the Easyworship 7. It also enables you to do that. Let's say, for example, you have an Easyworship, and even from Easyworship 7 down to another Easyworship 7. And let's say, for example, you use the Easyworship 9, you have your song database on it, and you want to import those database to the Easyworship 7. And this is what one of the features that the Easyworship 7 embed on, because you can also be able to do that. I'm also going to make an extensive video guide on it, and these are some of the features I think you should try out on the Easyworship 7 software. Thank you very much, and remember to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and see you on the next one.